Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to take a look at the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. It is a gimbal device for your mobile phone. Say you're a vlogger that vlogs with your phone, or maybe just like capturing great video footage with your mobile device overall. Well, this is going to help you do that by giving you that extra stabilization for smoother video. Now, some may argue that most phones these days already have optical image stabilization built in, which is true and all, but speaking from experience, video can still get a bit shaky depending on how fast or how slow you are moving, so this is gonna help out with that. Now, I know this device has been out for a while now, but I finally got one for myself, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing here and then go test it out by taking some video footage using the gimbal. Alright, so inside the box you will find this nice case that the actual device comes in. Let me go ahead and open this up for you. Look at that, looking nice and premium. It actually looks really good. And then over here you get all the instruction manuals that most people don't read, but in this case you will need to read the instruction manuals in order to set this up. So real quick, let me show you guys real quick. You're probably just going to have to read the first couple of pages. It basically shows you the parts on it, how they work. Turn over to the next page. You are going to have to install the DJI Go app, and then once you do that, you can connect this gimbal to your device using Bluetooth. That way you compare the two, and you can either use the DJI Go app to record video, or at that point you can use the own stock camera that comes with the whatever device that you are using. Although the DJI Go app does have a lot of cool features for recording video. But yes, this is basically the first couple pages basically shows you how to set it up, how to get it nice and level with your device, how to connect it to Bluetooth. So yeah, you might want to read the first couple of pages when setting this up with your device. Okay, so now that that's taken care of, we can go ahead and chuck these over to the side and take a look at the actual gimbal itself. Let me go ahead and take this out of the case, and it has a nice premium feel to it. I've already have it set up with my mobile device, my Galaxy S9 Plus. I've already went ahead and set it up Bluetooth, but I want to go ahead and do this short unboxing for you guys really quick, just to show you exactly what comes in the box. This case is actually pretty nice. I know they sell separate cases for these gimbals, but you can't go wrong with the case that comes with it. It's actually really good. It fits in my backpack very well. When I went to the Unpacked event this week, I actually took it with me. This case fit perfectly inside my backpack while protecting this mobile gimbal device. But yes, this is it. It is also capable of charging your device while using it in the gimbal. Unfortunately, I can't show you what it looks like with the device in it at the moment because I am using my mobile device to record this video, but I will go ahead and grab another phone right now and put it in here so you guys can see what it looks like and see how it works before we actually do some video testing with it. But yes, it can charge your phone when using it. There is a little port right here where you can plug in the USB charging cable and then plug it into your phone and charge it while on the go. That way you don't have to risk your phone dying when recording video using this. But yes, this is it. This right here is a little controller to control it to go up and down, side to side, and we will go over those features in a bit. And this is a little button to start the camera, and right here is where you turn it on. You just hold. You see the little lights blinking right there. Once they stop, boom, it is on. I don't know if you noticed this moved on its own right now. Basically letting you know that it is on. And then on the side right here is to zoom in and out. So let me go ahead and grab a mobile phone. Oh, really quick. It also comes, let me set this down 1 second really carefully. Also in the box comes this little cable to actually charge the gimbal. And the plug-in is right here. Micro USB. So yeah, there you go. It doesn't come with an actual charging brick though, so you will have to use the one that comes with your mobile device. But yes, this is what you're going to use to actually charge this gimbal. So real quick, let me go grab a phone, put it on here so you guys can see what it actually looks like with the device in it. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed my wife's S9 phone really quick just to show you guys how the phone looks in this mobile gimbal, and this is what it looks like. This is how it works. You can see I'm using the controller here to move it back and forth. You can also move it up and then down As you can see, it keeps the device very stabilized. So we're gonna go ahead and go outside right now and record some video using my own device so we can see just how stable the video comes out. And real quick, I wanna tell you guys, when you put your phone in here, you wanna try and get it as center as possible right here so it stays nice and level. And yeah, this is what it looks like with the device in it. So you can see I'm moving it around a lot and it's keeping it very stable. So let's go outside and take some video footage and see just how well it works. Alright you guys, so that was some footage with the rear camera using this gimbal, which I am still using right now, the rear camera. I want to show you some more without the background music. I want to show you just how stable this gimbal keeps the video footage when you are running. So I'm going to run across the grass here and look at it. Check this out guys, look how stable the video stays. Here I go. I'm running, and I'm running quicker than most people would when recording vlogs or whatever you might be doing when recording video. So I'm running pretty quick along this grass. As you can see, it is keeping the video very, very stable. So let's go ahead and check out the front facing camera. All right, you guys, so excuse me if I'm a bit sweaty. It's a bit hot out here, but this is the front camera test using this gimbal. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna jog a little bit here and see how stable it keeps the front facing camera, because we all know the front facing camera quality is never as good as the rear. But as you can see here, I am jogging a little bit, kind of hopping up and down. And at least on my end, it's looking pretty stable. Looking good, not too bad. You guys let me know your thoughts down below, but there it is. Front facing camera, I'm moving it around. Let's go in a circle. There we are. So there it is, you guys. I want to show you guys something real quick. So I'm going to pan this over to the side. And if you double click the power button, it'll bring the camera center right back to where you are. So let me pan this over. Now check this out. I'm going to double click the power button. Boom. It brings it right back to me. So if you're ever recording video and you kind of feel like you're getting lost and it's getting off track, just double click that power button and it'll bring it right, center right back to where you started. But yes, you guys, this is the Osmo Mobile 2. If you guys find yourself interested in this device for your mobile phone, I will throw the link down in the description below. You can get it for around 140 bucks on Amazon right now, which is a pretty good deal. This is a really good device for your mobile phone if you're into vlogging or shooting just great quality videos overall. I'm still sweating, but yes, I will leave the link down in the description below if you find yourself interested. But that is it, you guys, the DJI Mobile Osmo 2. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come if you have not already. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.